Hey KinDai students, guess who? I'm just making this short video. I just wanted to say I really enjoyed teaching all of you. I know the classes were quite tough. There's a lot of homework, tests, assessment, but all of you, the majority of you did really well. And I just enjoyed your folks' energy. You were motivated. Most of you did all the homework on time, the My ELT, the X reading. There's so much I know that was out there, and all of you did everything. So I just wanted to say thank you for being so active in class and trying so hard. I know for many of you, speaking out in front of the class was difficult, let alone speaking in English. So when you had both sides going on, it was really challenging, I'm sure. This is my kudos to you, which means I applaud you for what you were able to do these last 4 months. I will be leaving KinDai. Today is my last day. It's December 23rd, and that's why I wanted to finally make this final message here. So anyway, I just wanted to say thank you for all of your active participation. I know it was hard to wake up in the morning for some of you who lived in Wakayama or Nara, 2 hours, 2.5 hour trip. But all of you, really tried, and I appreciate that. And I hope that I will be able to see some of you again in the future. So please send me an email if you go and study abroad and tell me how you're doing. I'd like to hear your struggles as well as your achievements when you go on study abroad. And for those of you who don't go on study abroad, please continue studying. I think that English will always be a great tool. Remember, English is not the goal, it's the tool. So please continue studying. It could help you with getting a better job. It's the X factor, meaning you just can't be a good student with good grades. You need something else, whether it's a computer skill, whether it's English. You need to be a good student with good grades plus something. So I hope that you will continue to study really hard and continue with English. And E-Cube is here on campus and it's free. You do the E-Cube activities. I suggested to some people, there's schools in the Philippines that will do like Skype English lessons, and it's very reasonable that you folks would maybe take on something like, do something like that. Anything that will allow you to keep moving forward. And for those of you who are going on study abroad, as I explained in the class, I said long ago, back in September or October, that January wouldn't happen. And my prediction now is that don't be disappointed, but April probably will be very difficult. For America, probably almost impossible. For New Zealand and Australia, I learned recently that even though they're very low in coronavirus, they are strict about letting visitors and students into the country. So I'm not sure if that might be possible also. So again, as I said to you before, manage your expectations. Let's say you plan for September, fall, and if suddenly you're able to go in April, well, great, banzai, you go. But if not, and in January, when you find out from Bonesse, if April is out and you can't go, then you won't be so disappointed. Okay? As I said before, KinDai will send you. It's not a question of if, it's a question of when. So you have to be a little more patient. But until you leave, you need to keep studying, right? You need to stay hungry. You need to just keep, chasing your dream. So don't stop studying English, okay? Anyway, I want to say thank you for all the memories. And, I think some of you will remember me not from my English classes, but from me saying things like, stay one maguro away from each other, or let's rock and roll, or Everyone stand up. Let's play supermarket and move to your groups. Let's not play turtle. Let's play supermarket. So I think those are the things that you will remember me for. Not my English teaching, but some of the expressions I use. And true that. Anyway, this is Mike. I just want to say thank you. And all of you, I wish you the best. Happy flying one day soon. Take care and catch you on the backside.